Food contamination warning now in effect for all residents. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food Drug Administration and the United States government. Food contamination warning is now issued. Many reports received in all countries that the unknown contamination from chocolate was reported. The cause of the contaminated chocolate is unknown, and people was believed to be infected and died several minutes. Symptoms of the virus include nausea, headaches, dizziness, chills, fever, vomiting, loss of speech, loss of memories, bleeding from the eyes and nose, extreme hydration, lack of appetite, and most certainly death. If you have eaten chocolate within 30 minutes, you will face certain death. All residents are strongly advised to listen to these following instructions. Do not eat any chocolate that you have found. Don't throw them in away as they need to be disposed in a proper manner. Put them in a container so the National Guard will take them to an undisclosed location. Chocolate will not be sold to anyone until further notice. This message will now cease transmission until the dangerous situation is over. Tune to your station for more updates on this situation.